I have said from the day one, everybody in Kerala who is interested in contributing to our mission of Vikasita Kerala is welcome in our party. And it is very clear, any Malayali who thinks about the future of Kerala, thinks of the future of our children, thinks of a future development of our state, instead of what we have seen for the last 40 years, is welcome to join the BJP and is joining the BJP. And today, a very, very senior leader, as Rajendran has joined the BJP, Gurunathan ji have joined the BJP, and hundreds of their followers have joined the BJP. Not because they want a position, not because they want power, because they want to bring change to Kerala and bring change to Munnar. It is very, very clear to anybody, every Malayali, that the BJP is the only party that is interested in the development of each and every Malayali. And that is becoming true now in every constituency of Kerala.
How can it be a benefit for the Vikasita Kerala?
No, look, more and more people who join and become stakeholders of this dream of Vikasita Kerala. That means the movement, this momentum will become stronger. And as Narendra Modi ji has said, we cannot have a Vikasita Bharatam without Vikasita Kerala. And this movement, this mission is about creating Vikasita Kerala. And today's program is about Vikasita Munnar.
Is it a big backlash for the CPM and CPI?
It is not a backlash as much as it is a rejection. People are fed up. Years and years they have given opportunities to the CPM and the Congress to govern the state. And what they have got is corruption, what they have got is lack of development. Even today in a place like Munnar, people have to live in lines, in the plantations. Lines that have been built in the 1900s. They live in one room, whole families live, they don't get homes, they don't have drinking water, they don't have electricity, they don't have access to education. Whereas when we got independence 75 years ago, it was supposed to improve the lives of every Malayali. But what have we got for the last 70 years? We have got opportunistic politics, power politics, and now what we are saying is we will bring a politics of development, a politics of performance that will change every Malayali's life, including those in Munnar, especially in the plantations.